Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today we have snow. And my husband is going to take me on a ride in the Land Rover to explore how the city looks. So I hope you will join us for a Carolina Winter Wonderland tour. Alright, he has a grin like a 3-year-old, so I think we're going to have to go take a ride real quick. See what all the excitement's about. Okay, we're in the Land Rover and we're going to take a ride. David said that it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it is fun.
He's a native North Carolinian, so snow really is like extra for him.
It's a novelty.
It's a novelty. Alright, let me turn the camera around so people can see the view. Well, as you can see, the main view is of a giant tire with lots of snow on it. The roads look yucky.
They are. It's in 4-wheel drive.
It's in 4-wheel drive. Obviously, our neighborhood is not going to be high on the list of priorities for clearing. And how fast are we going?
I don't know. The speedometer broke the other day. I got a new cable in the mail.
This is a 67 Land Rover series, and sometimes things break. Well, it doesn't look like this road is any better than our neighborhood road.
It's not.
Okay, so for all you northerners that live in places where salt and snow plows exist, this is why in North Carolina everything has to get canceled. Because, oh wow, yeah, this is not clear at all. That much. So here you have what they do here. They put sand down on the streets, but honestly it doesn't look like it's helped all that much. I mean, I wouldn't drive on this in my Prius. I don't think it would be safe. One thing that's really fun about riding around in the Land Rover, no matter what time of year, everybody that sees you waves. It's like being in a parade. And a lot of times people will say, oh, your Jeep is really cool. It's not a Jeep, but you know, the fact is they see a utility, like a real utility vehicle, and it's intriguing. And yep, Grover the Rover is pretty doggone awesome. We saw some kids sledding up here, so we're gonna turn into the neighborhood. It is funny how there's some parts of the roads that are totally clear, like here. It'd be nice if it did get warm enough to at least make the roads safe so that there won't be ice tomorrow. So we live in a really flat place, except over here. So you can see there's a bunch of kids sledding there. And then look, up there, under the power lines, a whole bunch of people out sledding. How cute is that? That's not a very steep slope, but still something. Up here we have people sledding in the street. And I was just saying, I'm so impressed that there's people with sleds. And why is it that they have sleds?
They're transplants.
No North Carolinians actually have sleds because this happens so infrequently. I don't think we should disrupt their sledding.
Well, we're gonna go through.
Okay.
We're gonna give them a minute though.
How funny is this? This is an authentic childhood experience. Yeah, this has to be a New York transplant. He has an actual snow shovel. We don't even have a snow shovel.
No, we don't.
That's why we have a Land Rover. So I just thought I would add this little bit of information. We're about 3 hours since we did our driving tour. And the reason we don't have a snow shovel is simple. Ta-da! The weather will melt the snow, and you don't need to waste your time and energy shoveling anything when you live in central North Carolina. Look, I've been here 20 years. This happens every single time it snows. So, advice to transplants, just chill out, hang out for a little while, and ultimately the sun will do its job, and then you won't have to do any work like that at all. We have one gravel road in the middle of downtown Fuquay, and that's where we're heading because that'll actually feel kind of like off-roading. Look at you guys, this is a big deal. There's a snowplow. I didn't even know we had one.
I didn't either.
Here we are in downtown Fuquay, which we only live about 1.5 miles from. Here's our nice park. Some people out sledding on that little hill. It is cute to see people out with dogs. Is that a dog or a cat? That's got to be a dog, right?
That would be too cool if it was a cat.
That would be the most amazing thing ever if it was a cat. Yeah, it's a dog. Oh my god, it's a Frenchie. No, is it?
That's got to be a Frenchie. That's a Frenchie.
It's a Frenchie! Oh, I love Frenchies.
What's the sledding hill? That and the next road over.
Wow, that's cool. They have real sleds. Look at that, not plastic. That's a good sledding hill. So not only is Grover an excellent off-road snow vehicle, but David installed heated seats.
Yes.
And they're really warm. And so my feet are freezing because I don't actually have appropriate snow boots at all. And they're icicles right now from walking around in the snow in the yard. But my butt is super toasty. I'm guessing the plow didn't come through this section where it did not look clear at all. And it looks like we're coming upon some vehicle issues. A car just spun off the road. Of course it did. Because cars shouldn't be driving on roads like this. And that is what happens. And back safe and sound in our neighborhood. Well, I hope you all will have enjoyed Land Rovering vicariously with us this morning. I'm ready to get back inside and get it so that my feet are warm. And thanks, David, for a safe journey out in the snow.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe.